In this video, we'll show you how to install Menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Menyoo is one of the most powerful tools you can use in GTA 5, but for a while, it's not available or supported for GTA 5 Enhanced. Thankfully, it has finally been updated to support the new version, and here I'll show you exactly how to download new core files and set everything up so you don't face any annoying startup crashes. Before we begin, keep in mind that Menyoo is a single player mod, so if you want to play GTA Online, you should remove your mod files or use a clean installation of the game, or you can get banned if you're using Menyoo on GTA Online. Alright, so first things first, let's download Menyoo 2.0. You can just go to gta5mods.com and type in Menyoo 2.0, or you can just click the link in the description and it'll bring you to this page right here. Now, once you're here, if you scroll down, there's multiple versions that you can download, but you're gonna download the latest version, which is 2.3.0 for me right now, and just click the download button and then save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Just hit save, and that's done. Once you've downloaded Menyoo 2.0, the next thing you need is Scribble V. I'll also put the link in the description, or you can go back to the Menyoo page, and if you scroll down under description, you can just click the link and it'll bring you to this website right here. Once you're here, just hit download and save it somewhere on your PC. Just a quick heads up about game updates. So Scribble V, whenever Rockstar update GTA 5 Enhanced, Scribble V instantly becomes outdated, which will cause your game to crash on launch. To completely avoid this, if you're playing on Steam, you can downgrade your game back to the previous supported version. If you're using Epic Games, you need to toggle off auto updates until you're absolutely positive that the new Scribble V version has been released to match. Otherwise, if you update your game and Scribble V is not supported yet, you need to wait for a few days for the Scribble V developers to patch the hook files. Now, the next thing you'll need, especially if you're using Windows 11, is direct storage fix. So just go ahead to this page. I'll put the link in the description, or you can click the link from the Menyoo page. And once you're here, just click download, hit download again, and save it somewhere on your PC. After you finish downloading, you'll have the Menyoo zip file, Scribble V, and also direct storage fix. All of them is in a zip file, so to open them, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, or you can also export it in Windows 11. Just right click, hit extract all. But here I'll use WinRAR, which you can download for free. And also to install everything, you'll need your GTA 5 Enhanced install directory. If you don't know where you installed your GTA 5 Enhanced, if you're using Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced on the right. Click the three dots, hit manage, and then hit the folder icon to go to your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. If you're on Steam, you're gonna do the same. Go to library and then right click on your GTA 5, hit manage, and hit browse local files. It'll open up the installation folder. Now that you have your GTA 5 installation folder, we can start installing the mods. So first, let's open up the Menyoo zip file, and inside it, what you need is Menyoo stuff folder and also Menyoo.asi. So what you're gonna do is just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory like that, and that's done. Now let's do the same for Scribble V and direct storage fix. Let's open up Scribble V with WinRAR, and for Scribble V, you want to go to the bin folder. And here what you need is X input, Scribble V DLL, D input 8, and also ARGS. So for ARGS.txt, this will force BetaLite to be disabled to avoid getting banned on GTA 5 Online. Drag and drop everything into your GTA 5 directory, just like that, and that's done. You're gonna do the same for direct storage fix. Let's open it up. And here you're gonna drag and drop direct storage fix.asi into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. Just like that, and everything is done. But before you launch your GTA 5 Enhanced, just to make sure, or if you don't use args.txt, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings and make sure BetaLite is unchecked or disabled, just like this. Now, after that's done, just launch your game. Alright, we're inside the game. And now, you can press F8 on your keyboard to open up the menu. If you install everything correctly, you'll see it on the top left of your screen. Now here, there is so many options. There's player options, vehicle options, teleport options, weather, weapons, and etc. So for example, you can spawn vehicle, go to vehicle options, and then vehicle spawner, and you can select any vehicle you want. Let's just spawn in this one, and there we go. You can also change the weather. For example, let's change it to extra sunny, and there we go. And that's it for this video. You can try it yourself. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.